Welcome back. Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar has cautioned that those shacks which are operating even after the termination period will be blacklisted for the next season. He said around 60 to 70 shacks in Goa are operating in violation of norms. He said the bank security for shacks of about 20,000 will get forfeited.
पावसाचे मे महिन्याची तारीख झाल्यानंतर 31 तारीख झाल्यानंतर तांच्यांनी थंयसरले ते काडपाक जाय. हे 31 तारीख झाल्यानंतर ज्यांच्यांनी कोणी काडूंक ना अशी खूबशीं शेकां आसा त्या प्रमाणे आमकां रिपोर्ट मागिल्लो आसा. तो रिपोर्ट जर आयल्यानंतर फुडले येणारो जो आमचो सीजन आसा ह्या सिजनाक तांकां परत मेळचें ना इतकी गॅरंटी तुमकां हांव दिता.
कितली शेकां आसा?
शेकां आमचे कडेन सादारणशी 1050 पर्यंत शेकां आसा. ती 350 शेकां जी बिचार आसा ही बिचा वयली सगळीं शेकां काडल्या. प्रायवेट शेकां खूबशीं शेकां आहा. म्हाका दिसता नाच जाल्यार एक 60-70 शेकां आयज पर्यंत आमी जे नोटीसी केल्या इश्यू केल्या त्या प्रमाणे आयज पर्यंत आसात आनी ती काडपा खातीर फुडें आमच्या कलेक्टर आसा ह्या कलेक्टराक आमी बरयल्लें आसा की कलेक्टराची जिम्मेदारी तेजें ज्युरिडिक्शन जाता तेणी काडपाचें आसता.
ही शेकां बिचार आसा 60-70 शेकां
ना बिचार एक्झॅक्टली ना पण बिचाच्या सायडीक जी प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टीन आसा आमच्या बिचाचे प्रॉपर्टीन ट्युरिझम डिपार्टमेंटाचे प्रॉपर्टीन जितकी आसा सगळी आमी काडल्या.
The Central Jail Aguda inquiry report has pointed out various illegalities, irregularities and negligence in the jail. The inquiry was conducted by Additional Collector in the wake of the death of an inmate, Mahadev Gaonkar, due to food poisoning. The report reveals that the health officer in June 2012 had warned of the unhygienic and alarming condition of the jail kitchen, but the jail officials ignored this warning.
Though the inquiry was conducted to find out the cause of death of the inmate Mahadev Gaonkar in Central Jail Aguda, many other illegalities and irregularities got exposed during the investigation. The report says that the security check mechanism is very vulnerable at the entry point of the jail. This is the reason inmates succeed to carry prohibited items inside the jail. Without raising a probability of jail staff and the inmate nexus, the report also reveals that the jail's administrative staffs know that prohibited items like drugs, tobacco products and mobiles are available among inmates, but no steps are being taken to stop that. The report reveals that the concerned health officer had filed a report on 3rd June 2012 pointing out the unhygienic and alarming condition of the jail kitchen. But the jail officials had ignored the warning. On 31st of May, inmate Mahadev Gaonkar fell ill after eating food cooked in contaminated water, and delay in providing him treatment caused his death.
So all these prisoners were suffering from the cholera. There is no doubt about it. Why only Mahadev was died? This is maybe because of he was not got the treatment on time. Delay was there from this. Now this delay was caused, maybe it was because that proper care was not taken by the people on duty.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Shashant Pearl for Prudent.
The Supreme Court has directed the High Court of Delhi to hear Benauli MLA Kaitu Silva and then decide on a petition filed by John Fernandez regarding Kaitu's citizenship. The Supreme Court has also set aside an order passed by the High Court of Delhi directing Ministry of Home Affairs to dispose John's petition within 8 weeks. John Fernandez has filed a petition before the Union Home Ministry to cancel Kaitu's Indian citizenship.
The Apex Court on Friday ordered the High Court of Delhi not to issue any direction to the Union Home Ministry without hearing Kaitu Silva regarding his citizenship. The Supreme Court also set aside an order passed by the High Court of Delhi directing Union Home Ministry to dispose of John Fernandez's petition within 8 weeks.
It was filed by one John Fernandez. Determination of citizenship is not a citizen only, he should be disqualified. High Court एक ऑर्डर पास केले की प्रिस्क्राइब ऑथॉरिटीन 8 वीकां भितर कंप्लीट करू म्हणून फॉर्मॅलिटीज. सो ती ऑर्डर एसाइड दवरल्या सुप्रीम कोर्टान आनी सुप्रीम कोर्टान सांगला हायकोर्टाक की विदाउट हियरिंग nothing should be decided.
Kaitu's rival candidate John Fernandez has filed a petition before Union Home Ministry seeking to cancel Kaitu's Indian citizenship. John, in his petition filed before the Union Home Ministry, has contended that Kaitu has obtained citizenship of Portugal on 21st July 2010. John has also alleged that Kaitu has not disclosed the fact that he is having a Portuguese citizenship in his affidavit filed during his nomination to contest 2012 Assembly election. John Fernandes had filed a petition before the High Court of Delhi seeking direction to the Union Home Ministry to expedite the hearing of his application. The High Court of Delhi, without even issuing a notice to Kaitu, passed a direction on 30th May to the Union Home Ministry to dispose of John's petition within 8 weeks. Later, Kaitu challenged the High Court's order before the Supreme Court and court granted him the relief. With senior reporter Laukik Shilkar, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.